ka Kynhun anti-narcotic task force jong ka Bhoi police menta kasngi ka khatway tarik ya yong ka yo ban kem ya Arngut ki breu haringkat u Kynja kat kum katalong khubo la ya thu ba kite ki breu bala Shah kem ki wan na silchar bat thmu ban shalan tu ya kite ki Kynja shaghwati ha ka jingtala si ki pulet la yo Kurup nyo song u Kynja u bakhia kumba pra point riu kilo bala song bha na kite ki breu ki ba shong ha ka bus ka ban let na silchar shaghwati kabodonro ya u registration number ASR saw C khandai pra san ya kite ki breu hatip kerteng rukum u rohit raj pande arpu ar snem karta bat ubipul kumar khandai snem karta bat baro Arngut kite na patna bihar bat kite ki Arngut la kem bat la pengat ya ki ha ki kondon an jong ka narcotic drugs and psychotropic substance act khandai spa prapusan.
Yeah. So today, that is the 11th of April 2023, based on the source information received, the ATF team of Bhoi actually detained a vehicle coming from Silchar and proceeding towards Guwahati, super bus. The registration number AS 24C 9855. And based on the information, we detained two of the suspects. And when the search was conducted, it was revealed that they were carrying about around 7 packets of suspected contrabands. So the ATF team conducted the preliminary test, and it revealed to be positive for marijuana. And in this connection, a NDPS case has been registered, and two accused, that is Shri Rohit Raj Pandey from Patna, Bihar, and Shri Bipul Kumar from Patna, Bihar. So both of them has been arrested, and the necessary formalities have been proceeding presently. And we also request the members of the public of Bhoi to keep cooperating with us in our war against the drugs, so that we can actually defeat this evil thing prevailing in our society.